Welcome to the Starlight YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you how we drop the headliner in a Ford F450 to install some starlights. So let's get started. Live action.
We're going to start off with the A-pillar. So if you just move it over a little bit, you can get a little playroom and you just pull the cap off. And from there, there's going to be a socket, a 10 socket. You get your little impact. Go ahead. Same thing with the bottom side. And from there, the A-pillar should be free. Just go ahead and pull it. That's it. There's a wire for the speaker down there. You don't necessarily have to unplug it because the whole thing's already free to go ahead and remove the headliner. We're gonna go ahead and remove the visor. A 7mm socket, removing the visor hook. That's that. And with this one, there's a little cap. If you can get a pry tool and just pry the cap off. Another 7mm socket. So unscrew. And there you see, you can fold it down. This is like a hook mechanism. Go down. There's a wire. You push that in. The wire's free. I'm gonna go ahead and separate these two together. So you can pry from the side. Get a little wiggle room. There, comes down. The headliner is basically free from the front.
Yep.
Once you get that free, there's two little wires. This one you push on the side, and this one you push from this device top right here. And the wires are free. Yep, the wires are free. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the B-pillar. Remove the seat belt cap. To expose the Torx bit. That is a T50. Break it loose. Once you have it loose enough, you can go ahead, go at it with the impact.
I don't know.
Let's do that. That's loose. Go ahead and pull the bottom pillar out. Oh.
Filament's out.
So on this clothing hook, there's a little cap right here. You get a small flathead, you pry it down. For instance, I took it off, and then it reveals a small Torx screw. Looks like a T15. This goes as, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this C-pillar. Just get your little fingers and just go and pull.
It's out.
The whole thing usually comes out from top to all the way to the bottom, one piece. That's it.
We're just pulling the headliner down. There's some clips in the back of the headliner, and then it should all be free after that. So now it's just being held by the trim. Headliner's free. So here's the headliner. It's free and drop down. If you wanted to take it out, we recommend removing this chair and then bringing it out this passenger door behind the driver's seat. So you just take it out from here, but we're gonna work on it in the car to put the stars in it. It's just easier for us to keep it in the car. But if you did want to, that's how you would remove the headliner from the truck, and you'd probably still have to put a few creases in it in the process of taking it out the door. running.